Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon. This is our trade that came in, and we'll start here on the bow. First thing you'll see is a bow windlass with controls, two large insulated fish boxes on the bow, easy access to the rope locker. As we come around, large door with easy access to the head compartment under the console. So you can see that's nicely trimmed out with wood finishing, sink, and marine grade head. As we come around to the helm of this boat, you'll see the leading post featuring flip-up bolsters and flip-up armrest. This boat features a very unique blacked out dash with a 12-inch Garmin display, digital Yamaha controls as well as digital Yamaha display, ergonomically laid out switching, stainless steel wheel. As we come around to the cockpit, currently we're set up in a great configuration for fishing with the stowaway rear bench. You have a large rear fish box here on the transom of the boat, as well as a bait prep station and a massive full water column circulation live well. Tackle storage underneath the leading post all the way around. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or give me a call directly at 407-394-7623.